Hello and thank you for watching this episode of Cooking with Benoit. So I make an appetizer, the artichoke and spinach appetizer for the Super Bowl or for any event with your friend and family. Delicious. So it's an appetizer made of artichoke hearts, like this, and spinach, like this. We will mix this together with sour cream, Parmesan, shredded cheddar cheese. We will use this for the melted crust because it's going in the oven. So here we go, but in the meantime I want to drink something. So I'm going to drink a cacolac. It's chocolate with milk and sugar. It's made in France, no additives, cacolac. No, it's supposed to be for kids, you know. I drink it. It was very popular in the 60s to 70s. Cacolac, like a Coca-Cola, but no Coca-Cola, cacolac. What a strange name. English people, I'm talking about the people in the UK. Do you know cacolac? If you know cacolac, comment below please. Tell me if you know this beverage. Do you know cacolac? Okay, let's do it. So I have a food processor, it's easier for this appetizer because we will mix everything. So first I'm gonna, what do you call that? The bowl of the food processor? It's a bowl. Let's do it. Oh, yes, very important. So this spinach comes from a tin can. Before you use it, drain it. Okay, the spinach, I will cut the artichoke heart in two to help. In four. Voila. Hop. Do I put everything? Yes, I will put everything. Huh? I'm supposed to put everything. So half a cup of this. Okay. Up. So basically it's 4. Here we go. Oh. Ooh. Oh. Come on. And another one, and should be good. Voila. Pretty good. Now I'm gonna add the Parmigiano cheese. I'm gonna make a miracle here. Look at this. Magic. So food processor is pretty good. I like it. Okay. We should be okay. Let's put this in the dish. Ooh. Wow. So of course you need to mix it very thoroughly. Huh? It needs to be evenly mixed. Okay. Oh, I need to put some pepper. Samba! Brazil! Now what I'm gonna do is put the cheddar cheese on top of it. Huh? Yeah, something like this. I'll put everything. Huh? So I think it's better. Okay. Here we go. Voila. And you need to bake it for 25 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. What do I think? Are you talking to me? I don't see anyone else here. I guess you're talking to me. What do I think? Yeah, that's super good. Whose recipe is this again? No, Walker. Thank you, Walker. This is good. Yeah, that's good. Thank you for watching this episode of Cooking with Benoit. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to share. All shabam. Yeah? So if you subscribe to the Cooking with Benoit, it helps us a lot. And then, en attendant, merci, à bientôt et bon appétit! Oh man. Okay, it's a wrap. This is pita bread. I mean, a piece of pita bread, of course. You toast it and you dip it inside, or you take a knife and you spread on this and eat it. It's delicious.